Welcome to the assembly and usage guide for the category price ladder. To get started, let's unpack our box. Inside the box, you'll find a backboard, Allen keys, cable ties, wall plugs, and pack shot prices. You'll see these in the upcoming footage. Next, you will need to install the Premium Drinks tab. To do that, firstly, peel off the double-sided tape. Then, take the tab and align it using the marks that are on the actual product. Once you have it aligned, you simply stick it on. Now, remove the screw that looks like this, but do not remove this screw. Once you have removed the first screw, you can just simply slide out the other part of the front panel using the key tab. Inside the category price ladder, you will find a bunch of pack shot prices. These you will have to install onto the category price ladder. Grab the desired pack shot. Carefully unclip the front part of the Digi-8 by applying pressure. Release each clip one at a time. Do not overextend the small clips because they will break. Now that it's unclipped, all you have to do is align the holes on the pack shot with the holes that are actually on the product. Once those are aligned, you will need to take the supplied screws and Allen keys, insert them and tighten. Please do not over tighten. Now you need to grab the front panel of the Digi-8 that you removed previously, flip the numbers so you can actually get a digit that you like, and then pop it back in. Now you simply repeat this process over and over until all the pack shots are in. Once that is done, you will take the remaining pack shots and put them inside the category price ladder. You will notice that there are little compartments inside. Please note to never store the pack shot Digi-8 without the front face. Once they are inside, you take the front panel that you removed at the beginning of this video and pop it back in using the keyhole. Take the remaining screw, screw it in, and there you go. Now that your product is assembled, you'll need to mount it. The first option that you have is to use zip ties to tie it to a cage unit. Peel off the plastic. As you can see, there are holes at the back. Insert the zip ties through those holes. Flip the price ladder so the zip ties are against the cage. Now you simply tighten the zip ties. It's that easy. Moving on to your second option for mounting, which is to simply use the wall plugs. You will notice at the back of the price ladder that there are mounting holes. Use these to simply mount the price ladder onto the screw that's on the wall. To get an accurate mounting, please use the template provided as a guide. Use the triangular part, that is where the center will be drilled. Do the same thing for the bottom. Now, once you've done your markings, you will simply take the drill and drill, the wall. Afterwards, you put in the wall plugs, tighten it using a screwdriver. Please remember to leave a small gap between the wall and the screw so that you can mount the product easily. It's that easy. To make it easier to not lose the Allen key, each rep will be issued with this nifty keyring tool for easy access. You'll notice that on top of the price ladder that there is a small rectangular magnet. This is used as a way to store and secure the Allen key that provides easy access.